One more problem we'll see on standard representation of POS forms. So determine the canonical POS form of the given function. Let us take the function given as f of x comma y comma z equal to x into y plus z bar. So canonical POS means standard form of POS means each term should involve all the three variables. How many variables the expression is given is x, y, z. So if you take about each product, so this product should involve x, y, z, and this product term also should involve x, y, z. So here this product term is having summation of only two variables, so it is missing the x variable. So we need to make it a standardization. We need to add some x term in this. So similarly here it is, if you take this one, here it is missing y and z. So we need to manipulate this expression in such a way that the final expression should contain all the literals in the given expression. So for that, what we do is, let us take the expression x plus y, x into y plus z bar, that is given, convert into standard POS form. So x, what are the terms we are missing, we are going to write. So x can also be written as same 0 plus 0 into y plus z bar plus 0. So this 0 we already know, x into x bar equal to 0. So same principle, same complement theorem we will apply over here. Postulate. So x plus, so which is the two literals which are missing in this term is y and z. So this 0 is represented for y and this 0 we represent for z. So that is y dot into y bar plus z into z bar. Okay, then here this 0 is used for x into, since x is missing in this term, so x into x bar. So that is x into x bar plus y plus z bar. This is the expression. So again we can use the principle, use this concept, that is we have again x plus yz is equal to x plus y into x plus z. So now I am going to distribute this expression using distribute law. X plus yz is equal to x plus y into x plus z. So same thing I am going to use, x plus yz equal to x plus y into x plus z. So let us assume this total expression as now your capital X. This is assumed as yz. So if you observe this as yz means here y represents the z and z represents the z bar. So this capital X represent is x plus y bar plus y dot y bar. So try to expand this, and similarly first you will expand this term, then secondly we will expand this term. So let us focus on the term 1. This is term 2. So let us focus on first on term 2. So that is, using this, it is in the form of x plus yz. So x plus yz can be represented x plus y into x plus z. So what is x here? Here x plus y dot y bar plus y. What is y here? Z. Then x plus z. X is x plus y into y bar. So capital X is equal to small x plus y dot y bar plus z. Z is here is z bar. Small then we have taken represented. Okay. Then second term is, now you take this as a capital X. This you take it as a yz. Second term is represented as now x, that is x plus y. X plus y is nothing but x is y plus z plus x, that is x plus y plus z bar into z is x bar plus y plus z bar. Again we have, again you can rewrite this expression here. You can have x plus z plus y dot y bar into here x plus z bar plus y dot y bar. So repeat this same thing whatever you have. Now again this you assume as a capital X. then you assume as a capital Y, capital Z. Similarly, this you assume as a capital X, again this you assume as a Y, capital Y, capital Z. So again use this principle again, x plus yz is equal to x plus 5. So x is here is now x plus z plus y is small y, okay, into x is x plus z, small x plus small z. What is z represents here? Y bar plus y bar. Again same principle here, x plus z bar. What is y here? Y. Capital Y is small y. Capital Y represents your small y. Then again x plus z. X plus z is, x is here is x plus small z. Small x plus small z bar. Z is y bar. Then same thing you represent over here. X plus y plus z. X bar plus y plus z. So this is the final expression you got. So these are all POS, standard POS from. If you take every term here, this is a 3 variable term, this is a 3 variable, this is a 3 variable, this is a 3 variable, this is, so every term is having 3 literals. So in canonical standard POS form, original x plus y plus z is taken as 0. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 3, 1, 0, 1, 5. So pi of 0, 1, 2, 3 is represented. So this is equal to pi of 0, 2, 1, 3, 5, which is rewriting again phi is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. So with this is the way to represent the define the standard canonical form of POS forms. So the important thing is you need to use this x plus yz is equal to x plus 5 into x plus z. Thank you.